Hello children, welcome to my maths class. Okay, today we are going to learn about addition stories. You must be thinking why I'm having so much of pens. Okay, so I'm going to tell a short addition story. Okay, I'm having red pens and blue pens. Okay, मैम के पास red pens है and blue pens है. Okay, we will start counting the red pens. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm having 5 red pens. Okay. Now we will count the blue pens. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 4 blue pens. Okay. So I'm having 5 red pens and 4 blue pens. Okay. Total how many pens I'm having? Altogether how many pens I'm having? सब मिलके कितना पेन्स है? Yes, 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, so shall we start the addition stories? Okay. Okay. Now, addition stories. Okay, first sum. Rohan has 365 marbles. रोहन के पास 365 marbles है. Cherry has 204 marbles. Okay, चेरी के पास कितनी marbles है? 204 marbles है. Okay, how many marbles do they have all together? दोनों को मिला के कितनी marbles है? Total हमें find करना है. Okay, so रोहन के पास कितनी marbles है? Yes, 365. 365. Okay, and चेरी के पास कितनी मार्बल्स है? Yes, 204. You have to put plus sign 204. Okay, so now you have to add these marbles. Okay, so first we will start from here. Okay, you have to write ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so 5 plus 4 will be, yes, 9. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, 6 plus 0 will be 6. Next, 3 plus 2, 4, 5. Okay, so altogether marbles number is 569. Total marbles is 569. Okay. Okay, next we will proceed to question number 2. Okay. John solved 126 questions. John ने 126 questions solve किया है. Okay, उसको 126 questions दिया है और 126 questions solve कर लिया. Okay, जतिन solved 262 questions. Okay, जतिन ने 262 questions solve कर लिया. Okay, how many questions did they solve? दोनों मिलके कितनी questions solve किया है? We have to find that only. First we will write ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, after that we will write John solved 126 questions. John ने 126 questions solve किया है. So write that number 126. It is 126. Then you have to write plus sign 262 questions जतिन ने solve किया है. Okay, so 262. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to add both these numbers. Okay, we will start from ones place. Okay, हमेशा ones place से start करना addition. Okay, addition, subtraction. Okay, next 6 plus 2 will be 8. Okay. Next tens place 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 also will be 8 only. Okay. Next 2 plus 1. Yes, 3. Okay. So 388 questions solved together. Okay. Hope you can solve these questions. Okay. On your own also. Okay. Next question number 3. Okay. A shopkeeper sold 258 eggs on Monday. Okay, शॉपकीपर ने क्या किया, कितनी एग्स सेल किया है? 258 eggs he sold on Monday. Okay, next he sold 321 eggs on Tuesday. Tuesday के दिन कितनी eggs उसने सेल किया है? 321 eggs. Okay, next how many eggs did he sell in 2 days? इन दोनों दिन में टोटल मिला के कितनी eggs उसने सेल किया है? Okay, so first we will write that. Okay, solution. A shopkeeper sold 258 eggs on Monday. Okay, first we have to write ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, after that, okay, we will write 258 eggs. Monday के दिन कितनी eggs है? 258 eggs. Okay, and Tuesday he sold 321 eggs. Okay, plus 321 eggs. Okay, so now we have to total these two numbers. Okay, add these numbers. Okay, 8 plus 1 will be 9. Okay, next 5 plus 2 will be 7. Next 2 plus 3 is 5. So total eggs sold is 579. Okay. Okay, next question number 4, we'll proceed to that. Okay, there are 463 boys. Okay, how many boys are there? 463 boys hai. Okay, 225 girls in a school. एक school में 463 boys है and 225 girls है. Okay, how many students are there in the school? School में कितनी girls and boys को मिला के कितनी है, कितनी total है? We have to find that only. Okay, so first step we will write ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, after that how many boys are there? 463. 463 plus 225 girls. 225 girls. Okay, so now we have to total these two numbers. Okay, 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3. Okay, you have to add these two numbers. 5 plus 3 is 8. Next 6 plus 2 is also 8. Next 4 plus 2, 5, 6. 688. So 688 students are there in the school. School में कितने बच्चे हैं? 688. Okay. Next, we'll proceed to question number 5. Okay. One basket contains 325 oranges. एक basket में कितनी oranges है? 325 oranges है. Another basket contains 341 mangoes. एक और basket में 341 mangoes है. Okay. How many fruits are there in the basket? एक basket में कितनी fruits है? दोनों को मिला के कितने fruits है? ये कितनी oranges है? कितनी mangoes है? वो सब मिला के total we have to find. Okay. So first step we will write ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, after that 325. Okay, another basket contains 341 mangoes. Okay, you have to put addition sign and write 341. Okay, now you have to calculate how many fruits are there in the basket. Okay, so we have to add these two numbers, 325 and 341. Okay, first we will start with ones place. 5 plus 1 will be 6. 2 plus 4 will be 6. 3 plus 3, yes, 6. So 666 fruits are there in the basket. एक basket में कितनी fruits है? 666. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. That's all for today. Okay. Please do like and subscribe my channel.